Hi Pioneers! Happy Pi Day 2024! Today, we are celebrating our collective journey in the Pi network, a giant community of pioneers united by the Pi cryptocurrency, a utility platform, myriads of blockchain nodes, and a shared vision for a decentralized future. Let's dive into the incredible strides we've made together this year, moving us closer to the open network period and the full unleashing of our network's capabilities. If the conditions are met, we aim to launch the open network later this year. As always, our community continues to thrive and expand. We've reached over 55 million engaged members, a testament of our growing influence and commitment without even counting the total number of signups. More than 9 million of those members have completed KYC, enhancing trust and security within our network. And today, we are announcing new measures, including unblocking pioneers and a call to action for you that will motivate millions more to verify their identities, broadening our horizons further. These achievements set new benchmarks in the cryptocurrency world and underscore our platform's unique appeal. Here are some exciting updates and integrations. The Pi Mining app now features a dynamic social media feed representing a leap forward in surfacing community content and promoting utility building in the ecosystem. This feed is initially showcasing content from the Fireside Forum and will later expand to other actions and content, fostering a more connected and interactive community. We've launched Pinet.com, a gateway to Pi's Web3 universe, making it easier for everyone to explore and share Pi apps using any browser. Alongside, we have streamlined the Pi browser to enhance usability and sync seamlessly with Pinet, bridging the gap with traditional web experiences while introducing users to blockchain innovations. The introduction of the Pi ad network revolutionizes how developers engage with a massive pioneer community, supporting a wider range of apps and business models, like social media, news and games, in addition to conventional blockchain apps. This is an unprecedented functionality in the broader crypto ecosystem. Putting these updates and integrations together in a user journey, imagine a pioneer discovering an engaging Fireside post while mining. They share it with a non-pioneer friend who reads it on Pinet.com via a standard web browser. Finding the content compelling, she interacts further, eventually installing the Pi browser to fully engage with our platform. She initially utilizes Pi ads to create and share new content, while starting to mine on her own in the meantime. This cycle of discovery, sharing, and engagement embodies the inclusive, expanding nature of our community. In addition to the ecosystem usability I described, the Pi blockchain stands out significantly. While other top cryptocurrencies measure their computer nodes in the thousands or tens of thousands, our vibrant ecosystem boasts over 200,000 computer nodes on its testnet alone awaiting the mainnet migration. This collective power, exceeding 1 million CPU cores, paves the way for extraordinary decentralized computing possibilities. Imagine the potential of computing on such large scale. Tasks like training or operating a massive open-source AI model in a decentralized manner become feasible. We are rolling out an updated version of the Pi node today, addressing previous issues and laying the groundwork for future enhancements, all while keeping our eyes set on the mainnet launch. In conclusion, every pioneer is integral to Pi's uniqueness and strength. With a vast
fields aligned with our timelines. Next, Open Network updates on Conditions 1 and 2. As we explained in our Open Network plan released December 2023, Condition 1 relies on the core team to prepare the network in technology, product, business, and legal domains following the consistent strategies of Pi Network, and Condition 2 relies mostly on the Pi community to reach 15 million KYC, 10 million mainnet migrated, and build utility through the development of Pi apps with the goal of 100 mainnet or mainnet-ready apps. On Condition 1, preparation work for Open Network is on track. Since the start of this year, we have released many products and updates that not only build out the ecosystem vision and network infrastructure, but also facilitate the community to make progress in their milestones on Condition 2. Here's the full list of updates and new products released today to that end. Multiple KYC updates unblocking millions of pioneers, including allowing more people to resubmit after thorough analysis, resubmission prompts in the main app, a mainnet checklist update requiring account verification, ID type or country error resubmissions, name similarity review consent, new liveness checks for new applicants, and password change requirement to secure accounts before passing KYC. For other products, we have the new PiNet journey that we experienced earlier in the video, Pi apps moving to PiNet domains, allowing any Pi app on the new domain, whether made by the core team or community developers, to be shared with the outside world via PiNet and the new PiNet journey. A new mining app feed where you can scroll up to see what's happening in the ecosystem. And finally, Node version 0.4.9 release. On Condition 2, compared to December 2023, we have over 9.45 million KYC pioneers, which jumped from 8 million previously. The successful migration of 4.64 million pioneers from 3.9 million. And for Pi ecosystem apps, 50 mainnet or mainnet ready apps jumping from 40. We're also announcing a new Race to 10 million KYC event where you can share your KYC success to encourage more community efforts in achieving the open network milestones and help other pioneers get KYC'd. To participate, inside the KYC app, pioneers who have successfully passed their KYC can now press the Celebrate Your KYC Status button to commence a unique sharing experience. Pioneers can screenshot this image and then post the screenshot in the hashtag PiDay2024 Fireside Forum channel, showcasing their KYC success and personal message to the community. To further amplify the celebration, pioneers are then encouraged to share their Fireside posts across various social media platforms or to their friends and family by clicking the share button in Fireside Forum. And finally, we're announcing our two Pi Commerce Hackathon winners, Map of Pi and PiNook. Map of Pi and PiNook are local commerce platforms that allow pioneers to find nearby businesses that accept Pi and enable merchants to create a storefront for their business, simplifying the discovery of Pi-accepting businesses. Map of Pi and PiNook stood out for their intuitive and clear UI, their focus on the core use case of supporting and bolstering local Pi commerce, and their integration of Pi OS, which means that community developers from all around the world can contribute to the growth and localization of this app. The Pi Commerce Hackathon ran for only 1 month and was held in response to the need for an app enabling local merchants and customers to find each other for Pi transactions. Such an app is an enormous real-world utility for the Pi ecosystem, and we're excited to see these apps grow after the hackathon. A full announcement along with other honorable mentions will be released in the coming week. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to every pioneer who has been part of this journey. Your collective efforts and collaboration have been the bedrock of our progress. At this time, we rely more than ever on the strength and unity of the Pi community. Together, we have the power to achieve our shared aspirations and further our mission. For a deeper dive into everything we discussed in this video, remember to read the Pi Day 2024 blog post link below. Happy Pi Day, pioneers!